An epigram is a short, witty saying that expresses a memorable thought. These concise statements pack a punch, delivering a powerful message in just a few words. Imagine a tiny firework exploding with meaning. Epigrams light up your thoughts with their brilliance and brevity. They spark a moment of clarity or a burst of laughter, changing the way you see things. Epigrams use wordplay to be clever and amusing, making you appreciate the beauty of words. Let's break down what makes an epigram special. Firstly, it's short and sweet, like a tweet but smarter. You can remember it easily. Secondly, it's witty, meaning it's clever and funny in a surprising way. Thirdly, it expresses a memorable thought, something that sticks with you long after you've heard it. And lastly, they often use wordplay like a playful twist of language to make them even more enjoyable. You might hear epigrams in everyday conversations without even realizing it. These short, witty sayings often carry deep meanings and are used to convey wisdom in a memorable way. How about no pain, no gain? This saying is frequently used in the context of physical fitness and personal development. It emphasizes that significant achievements often come with challenges and discomfort, but the end results are worth the effort. This epigram reminds us that rewards often require effort. Whether it's in sports, academics, or personal goals, the principle remains the same. Hard work pays off. Ever heard the phrase, easy come, easy go? This epigram highlights the transient nature of things that are easily obtained. It serves as a cautionary reminder to value and manage our resources wisely. That's an epigram about the fleeting nature of things easily acquired. It suggests that what comes to us without effort can leave just as quickly, urging us to appreciate and take care of what we have. And then there's the early bird gets the worm, a nugget of wisdom encouraging us to seize opportunities. This epigram advises us to be proactive and take action early to gain advantages and achieve success. It's a reminder that those who are prepared and act promptly are often rewarded. Section 4. Epigrams in literature. Authors and poets love using epigrams. These short, witty statements often pack a punch, delivering profound insights in just a few words. They are memorable, thought-provoking, and often humorous, making them a favorite literary device. Oscar Wilde, known for his wit, famously wrote, "We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars." Wilde's epigrams are celebrated for their cleverness and ability to capture the human condition in a single line. His works are filled with such gems that continue to resonate with readers today. See how it makes you think about the nature of world itself? Wilde's epigram challenges us to reflect on our own existence and desires, all while making us smile at the irony. Another great one is from Shakespeare's Hamlet. To be or not to be, that is the question. This line is perhaps one of the most famous epigrams in literature. It encapsulates the existential dilemma faced by Hamlet and, by extension, all of humanity. This short line is full of doubt and contemplation about life and death. Shakespeare's ability to distill complex emotions and philosophical questions into a single memorable line is what makes his work timeless. Jane Austen, the queen of social commentary, wrote in Pride and Prejudice, "It is a truth universally acknowledged, that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife." Austen's epigrams often highlight the absurdities and hypocrisies of her society. This witty observation pokes fun at societal expectations of the time. Austen's sharp wit and keen observations make her epigrams not only humorous but also deeply insightful, offering a critique of the social norms and expectations of her era. Epigrams continue to be a powerful tool in modern literature as well. They capture the essence of a thought or a moment, making them timeless pieces of wisdom that transcend generations. Whether in classic literature or contemporary works, epigrams remain a testament to the enduring power of words. Section 5. The Power of Epigrams. Epigrams are powerful because they're like little seeds of thought. They plant an idea in your mind and let it grow. They can make you laugh, think, and see the world in a new light. So next time you encounter a short, witty saying, pay attention. It might just be an epigram ready to spark your imagination.